Once again, a very good morning, my dear students. The Nazism and the rise of Hitler is in progress. In my earlier videos, we explored introductory part of this chapter, how World War I happened and how in Germany a new political changes taken place. We also studied how a new government and constitution was reconstituted in Germany, and through Weimar Republic a new political scenario was continued and in progress. So till the birth of Weimar Republic we explore. Through this video, dear student, I am going to explore about that treaty, about that Sandhi that was a very drastic shift in the history of the world. Dear student, I am going to explore about the peace treaty of Versailles. You come to know the spelling Versailles. This is written, you can pronounce Versailles, but dear student, L is silent. You will say the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles. That was taking place in June 1990. So through this video, we will share about the peace treaty of Versailles. Dear student, you will be very curious. Sir, what was that treaty? After the World War I, you know, Allied powers defeated to the Axis powers, and the Germany lost the war. Germany was the main leader of Axis powers. Germany was the main. I had also shared you what was the Allied powers, what was the Axis power in our earlier video. Germany lost the war, and winners, the Allied countries, mainly UK and France, they prosecuted. They said that Germany was the war initiators. Germany was the sinners. This was the main crimes of the Germany. And the World War I, that was mainly a responsibility of the Germany. All our responsibility are the responsibilities of the World War I was shifted on the head of Germany. This was shifted on the head of Germany, and this was said that Germany was the main initiators, and Germany had to give the war indemnity. First of all, dear student, you try to understand, was Germany solely responsible of the World War I? Was UK, France, they were not responsible? When the World War I was going on, the Russia, the France, the UK, they were also involved, and they were also having the greedy eye on the Balkan countries. They were also involved to extend their territory. They were also involved to extend their colonial setup. So only single Germany was not responsible, but because they were winners, that's why they established that the peace treaty of Versailles that would be signed by the Germany, and through the peace treaty of Versailles, dear student, this was really imposed over the Germany. And now you come to know how the treaty of Versailles, this was very one-sided, this was very biased, this was very harmful, this was very, very humiliating and insulting for the German nation. You come to know one by one. This treaty that was signed, that was imposed over the Germany by the Allied powers, and in June 1919, and all the clauses were imposed against the Germany. This peace treaty that was done in the city Versailles. That's why in the world history this is known the peace treaty of Versailles. This was done in June 1919. So you come to know the Treaty of Versailles was the big turnings lines after the World War I. And what were the conditions and clauses? किस तरीके से जीतने वाले हारने वाले के ऊपर किस तरीके से बायस्ड ट्रीटी थोपते हैं, इम्पोज करते हैं. दिस इज द गुड एग्जाम्पल डियर स्टूडेंट. ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइल, दिस वाज द मेन डिफॉल्ट ऑफ द यूरोपियन लीडर. थ्रू दिस ट्रीटी they tried to crush Germany, they tried to eliminate the existence of Germany. That's why that treaty became the main source of the World War II. That will happen in 1939 to 1945. And now you come, what were the impacts of the Treaty of Versailles? You try to understand. 13% territories of Germany lost. First impact, 13% territory of Germany, this was taken by the Allied powers. 75% of its iron, see, 75% of its iron resource, iron was taken. 13% German territories, this was taken by the winner. 75% of its iron, this was also taken, and 26% of its coals, 26% of coal mines was taken by France. See, up dear student, 13% territory, 75% is iron resource, 26% is coal mines. These were taken by the Allied powers. And 3 impacts. 4th impact, demilitarization. What was the demilitarization? German army was phenomenally curtailed. German सेना को this was phenomenally curtailed. This was demilitarization. Demilitarization means that the German army, this was reduced. The Germany had to curtail her army. And dear student, $6 billion war fine. War reparation. War reparation. $6 billion war reparation की मतलब Germany 6 billion that will give the fine of war. This one. Dear student, you come to know how Germany was totally crushed. If you will explore all the clauses of Treaty of Versailles, you can imagine how was that one-sided, how was that imposed, how was that effort to crush the German nation. That's why the historians, they used to say that this was the insulting, humiliating, crushing Treaty of the Versailles. Up see, 13% territory, 75% is iron, 26% of coal mines, $6 billion war reparation fine, युद्ध का हर्जाना. These all things were totally solely imposed over the Germany. So dear students, the peace treaty of Versailles, this was very humiliating, this was very deteriorating, this was very destructive for the German nation. So treaty of Versailles, and who signed over that? Who would be signed over that? On the Treaty of Versailles, who would be signed? किसने साइन किया होगा? Do you know? The leaders of Weimar Republic. When the leader of Weimar Republic, they signed on the Treaty of Versailles, that also went on against them. I will explore in my second video how the Treaty of Versailles became the main source of the unhappiness in Germany. So thank you very much, dear student. This was the Treaty of Versailles.